Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix no sound problem on your Mac. So for fixing that, first thing just check here your sound. So you just need to check your sound by adding it. Also, if you still have this issue, so you can also just check updates for your system. So just go to system updates, system settings, just open general, just open software update and just check the latest updates for your system. So if you install it, you can also just try to reinstall your Mac. So just restore your Mac. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose restore and just submit, restore your Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.